Emily has a new job working in the kitchen of a pizzeria. Every morning, several boxes of ingredients are delivered to the back door of the kitchen. One of her job duties is to move these boxes into the kitchen. At the end of her shift, she also has to empty all the trash bins and carry the waste to the dumpster behind the shop. After a month on the job, she noticed that her back started to feel sore and tired by the end of her shift. But she ignored it, thinking the discomfort would go away eventually. But this wasn't the case. Emily's friend noticed her discomfort while working and advised her to talk to her supervisor immediately or visit a doctor. There could be an underlying condition due to a musculoskeletal disorder, and prolonged back pain could damage her muscles or ligaments. The next morning, Emily told her supervisor about her constant back pain and how this was affecting her overall health. The supervisor advised Emily to stop work immediately and asked her to take a rest for 2-3 days. He told her that muscle pain can come from awkward posture positions or repetitive motions if she wasn't properly lifting boxes or keeping a healthy posture while working. Then he encouraged her that if she didn't notice improvement in her back health after 2 or 3 days, she should visit a doctor. After this incident, Emily's supervisor realized why giving training on back injury prevention to his workers is essential for his company. He knew this common problem is one of the leading causes of lost workdays and individual suffering. If steps aren't taken to maintain a healthy back, the pain can become long-term and disabling. He decided to call a safety supervisor for a site visit to observe typical workplace activities and practices that his team had been following in their job site. He asked the safety supervisor to give them tips to reduce back strain. Hi team, a health and safety expert is joining us today for a training workshop on back injury prevention. I hope that by the end of this training session, you know how to prevent back pain and injuries while working here with us.
Oh, that's great. Looking forward to it.
Yes, meet Rachel. She is a safety expert and your trainer for this training session.
Thank you, Dexter. Exertion injuries like soft tissue injuries to the back are common causes of workplace injuries. Either you or someone you know has likely experienced an injury like this. The good news is that you can prevent long-term injuries from occurring in the first place. Today we are going to cover common sources of back pain, situations when muscles are likely to be injured, when to see a doctor, stretching and strengthening techniques that can help prevent back injury, safe work posture and techniques for safe lifting. Let's get started.